Welcome to Secure Financial Education. Subscribe to the channel. We have the answers you need for the life you want. This short room makeover video is about how to redecorate your bathroom on a budget. Hopefully, using the tips provided below, you should be able to produce a whole new and inviting look to your bathroom with little expense. Number 1. You can make a huge impact on this room by getting rid of any dark wood on the cabinets. Number 2. Just by replacing the handles on the cabinet doors, you will give the room a completely different look. Number 3. Put some plants in your bathroom, as they thrive in such an environment. Number 4. Add bright colors that will create the illusion of space even in the smallest of spaces. Number 5. Change the light fixtures, as the right type of lighting can make a huge difference to any bathroom. Number 6. Add a few candles. Not only are they attractive, but they instantly add warmth. Number 7. Add a few bars of scented soap and your bathroom will soon feel and smell luxurious. By using some of the tips provided here, your bathroom will soon look fresh and bright and new. I hope that these tips have given you some ideas for freshening up your space on a budget. Please leave your thoughts below, we would love to hear your thoughts. Please comment below, your opinion is important. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. We have the answers you need for the life you want.